Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going guys? How are you guys? Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code for your website or for your social media, for your LinkedIn, for your YouTube page, or whatever. Whether it be for your social media or whether it be for your website. Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in less than 30 seconds. So if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Abdul Rafe, and this is the channel in which I create videos that will actually help you improve your digital life, help you with all sort of tech stuff. So don't worry guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are excited for this video. So let's jump right in and let's generate your QR code. To make this video fair and simple, we're going to break this video down into 3 different steps. So first, I will be sharing with you an introduction, and in that I will be including what a QR code is and how it can actually be used. Number 2, then we're going to look at what are the tools that you need in order to build your QR code. Or you can say in order to generate your QR code, what are the tools that you're going to need. Number 3, we're going to look at how to take action and how to generate your QR code. So that's going to be the 3 different steps. So let's dive right in. So let's start off with the introduction. So what even is a QR code? A QR code is a code that can be scanned with your phone or with your tablet, and it is a code that actually directs you towards a web page or a website or any page on the social media or any browser. So now why is this so useful? It is useful because it can be printed, and it also allows you to access websites very quickly, and that's why it is called QR code, because it's called quick response. So it's really quick and it saves you a lot of time. So I hope you guys get the idea. Oh, you guys are back. I was just taking a break. Okay, so now we're going to look at the tools that you need in order to generate your QR code. The first tool that you will need is a PC or a computer or a laptop. Okay, so don't worry if you are watching this video on your phone or your tablet. I want you to go and get your laptop. But if you don't have a laptop, don't worry, you can still generate a QR code with different websites. Okay, but if you are on a laptop or a PC or a computer, you're going to be good to go. Now the reason why I'm showing you how to do this is because it is the quickest method to generate a QR code. Okay, if you are on a laptop or a PC, if you are on a phone or a tablet, there are other ways to do that, and I'll I'll link in the description down below how you can do that. Don't worry, even if you're on a phone, if you don't have a laptop, don't worry, you can still generate your QR code. Okay, don't let yourself down. You can still generate your QR code. But if you are on a phone and a laptop, sorry, if you are on a laptop or a PC, this video is for you and you'll be good to go. So the second thing that you're going to need is a web browser. Okay, now there are 3 web browsers that are going to work for this. The number 1 is Microsoft Edge, number 2 is Google Chrome, number 3 is Brave. So with these 3 browsers, you can generate your QR code, but you don't have to use all of them. You can use one of them. Okay, so those were the tools that you need in order to generate your QR code. So now let's continue in the video and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so we're here at the final step of our video. So now is the time to take action and generate your QR code. So we're gonna do this in a few steps, okay? So the first step is to actually head over to the browser, okay? So remember, it can be Brave, or it can be Brave, or it can be Microsoft Edge, or it can be Google Chrome. Okay? So in our example, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. Okay? So head over to your browser. So once you're at the browser, the next thing that you want to do is you want to understand one very important thing. Okay, so now Remember, what does a QR code do? A QR code directs the people who scan the QR code to a particular website or a web page. Now, the beauty of a QR code is that you can choose where you can direct the people who scan your QR code to. For example, you can actually choose where the QR code directs the users. Okay? Now, for example, what I'm basically telling you is that suppose I want to generate a QR code for my LinkedIn profile. Okay? So what I will do is I'll head over to my LinkedIn profile. Okay, I'll head over to the exact page of which I want to generate the QR code, because I want the people who scan the QR code, who are the users of the QR code, I want them to be directed towards my LinkedIn profile. Now, if I want to create a QR code for my LinkedIn profile, I will head over to my LinkedIn profile. Okay, but if you want to create a QR code for your YouTube channel page, you can head over to your YouTube channel's page. So if you want to create a QR code that directs users towards your website, head over to your website. Wherever you want the users of your QR code to be directed, head over to that website, okay, or web page. It could be a social media platform, it could be a social media page, or wherever. So I want my users to be directed towards my website, which is a sample website, and I'll paste the link of that website in the taskbar. So once I enter that, I'm here at the website, which is the sample website. So now what I want to do is I want to create a QR code for this website. But if you want to create a QR code for a different website, I want you to head over to that website or web page right now. Okay, once you're at the website or web page, then you want to right click, and you're going to see an option that says create a QR code for this page. So click that, and there you have it. Your QR code is ready. That's it. That's your QR code. Now I want to tell you guys one thing. If you were to do this same thing in Brave, you're going to see a logo of a lion over here. That's going to be the logo of Brave. You're going to see a logo of Brave over here in the middle. But if you don't want that, you can use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. If you want that logo, you can use Brave. It depends on you. So I hope you guys understand. You just want to make sure that you enter into the web page or website, okay, of which the QR code you want to make. Okay, wherever you want your users to be directed, head over to that website and then right click and then click create a QR code for this page. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to do, and that's going to be generating your QR code. So once you have done that, now the question is, what do you even do with this QR code? Okay, there's a whole bunch of things that you can do. Remember we discussed in the use cases part. Okay, so what you can basically do is you can have this QR code printed in front of you, and you can keep a physical copy of this, and you can actually use your phone that will direct you towards a particular website, and it's gonna be saving you up a lot of time. You don't have to click the link again and again. Scanning is much easier, and it helps you save up a lot of time. So another thing that you can do is you can have a card, and in which you can paste this code. For example, if you have a visiting card, if you're an office person, if you have a visiting card, what you can do is you can actually take the QR code of your LinkedIn profile, for example, and you can put it in your card, and that's going to allow users to be easily access. It's going to allow users to easily access your LinkedIn profile. They can just scan the QR code, and then they're going to be able to access your LinkedIn profile. If you're an office person, if you're a student, you can have a QR code for a website in front of you printed, and you can scan that website, and that's going to direct you towards your website. For example, if you have a studying website, you can make a QR code for that, and you can have it printed in front of you, and you can scan it with your phone or with your tablet. That's going to direct you towards your website or web page. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you a demo of how you can actually use the QR code and help you direct you towards the website of which the QR code you have generated. So now the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to camera. Don't worry, if you also have a QR code scanner app, that will also work out. But the problem with those is that they're really laggy. So I'm just gonna use camera, okay? So we have a camera over here. We're gonna head over to. So now, as you can see over here, this was the website that we made. This was our sample website, and right there is our QR code. So we're just gonna. So now here is our QR code. So now the reason why it doesn't work right now is because I'm recording, so it doesn't work right now. But if you weren't recording, it would show a message on the top to click on that, and it will direct you towards the web page. So in a minute, I'll show you how this actually works. Okay, so I'm here at the website, and remember, it can be any website of your choice of which you want to make the QR code of. So I'm just gonna right click and create QR code for this page. Click on that, and that's gonna generate your QR code. So now I'm gonna use my phone to scan this code. So now I've scanned this code, and it shows me this message. As you can see, it shows me this message. Now I'm gonna click on this, and you can see it directs me towards the website, which is this same exact website over here. Okay, so as you can see, this works, and this works perfectly fine. So as you can see over here, it's the same entire website. So let me know if it works out for you, and let me know in the comments down below. So after scanning the QR code, I was directed to Safari, and this was the result that we got. So it was Nexograph, and it was this entire website of which the QR code that we made. And you can see that it was successful, and that's it. Oh, you guys are back. Okay, congratulations if you have made this far into the video, and if you have made your QR code. Congratulations. But if not, don't worry, you can still make it, okay? Let me know in the comments section down below if you had any trouble, if there was something that you didn't understand. Let me know in the comments section down below. Okay, that's it for today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and we will be catching up with you guys in the next video, and until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.